So Willie, yesterday we just received that package from Maono. I just want to say thanks to them to let me review on it. This is a microphone USB condenser and the model is Au-Pm421T like Thomas. We can look at the package, is really nice. You can see some description here and the back too. Package is really nice. And now we're going to look at it. So you can see this is well packed package. They give a nice card, a happy card with an email on it. A user manual. This is in English, Dutch, and Chinese. The only thing, we don't have anything in French. Probably we can put something in French. That's gonna be good. We're going to put it all together now. Wow. You see that? The mount. The chuck mount, they call that, to install the microphone. This is metal. Yeah. The filter. The foam, if you want. The cable. The stand. No, not the stand, but the, yeah, a part of the stand if you want. Wow. Wow. This is heavy. This, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is not plastic, trust me. This is not really plastic. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Nice. The knob. And here you have like a green light when you turn it on. And when you need to put on mute, just tap and that's going to be red. We're going to try it. Put it here. I think they call that a pop filter to pop. Yeah, that's going to be it. This is plastic, but the mount it's metal. Very nice. And wow, this is heavy. Oh yeah, this is metal. This is a nice stand. You can feel like put like a black paint on it. Really nice. Let's put it all together. Oh yeah. Et voila. That's nice. I'm gonna put this guy here. Oh yeah. Yeah. My lord. Okay. This is heavy. Can feel this is made really strong. It's not well cheap, trust me. Microphone. Okay, so put it like that. Just to perfect. I'm just going to put it a little bit up. Oh yeah. Wow. It's amazing. It's amazing the way you can feel this is well built. Put the filter on it. Probably I don't need it, but still I just want to show you. Yeah, not bad, not really bad. You know something? I love this guy. I really love it. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to install the pop filter. It's not going to be long, give me a sec. Install this guy here, like that. Oh yeah, wow. Wow, Oh yeah. Yeah, this is really nice. It's amazing. It's well built. You can feel this is strong. Okay, let's try it now. You just need to tap on the light barely, just barely, and that's going to turn red. Et voila. And after that, when it's time to put it on, barely touch it, and et voila, it's turning green. So now it's okay to speak. So now it's time to talk specification. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, or if you want 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The maximum sound pressure level, or maximum SPL, is going to be 125 dB. This is a touch panel. You have your knob here. This is 100. Your sample rate, it's 192 kilohertz, and the byte, it's 24 byte. You need 5 volt to be working. Now it's time to do some test sound. Okay, on my computer, my master volume is at 0 dB. Here my knob, it's out in the middle if you want. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put mute, so like that you can see. Et voila, I turn it on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play with the knob, go all the way up. On my computer, it's still at 0 dB. My knob all the way up, and now it's time for the sound test. If you heard something, that's going to be the TV in the kitchen. I'm going to put it in the middle now. I don't know if you heard something. And that's going to be the sound test. I hope you like this video about that Maono microphone. And I hope Maono is going to send me more items to be reviewed. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to thumbs up. This is really important to support this channel. That's the way I can receive more items, and that's the way I can do more review. And see you in the next one.